There are many ways that I am better off for having known Barb. First is just her friendship. Second, being employed by her and having those opportunities, and having a trusted realtor that I can refer people to. My son, as an example, buying his first home, he was 20 years old. I gave him to Barb, and a couple times he would call me on the phone and say, Barb said that I should do, and I'd say, don't even tell me, just do it. And literally, that's how much I trust her. I first met Barb when we worked at Windermere in the same office in the early 90s. One great thing that Barb does for her customers is cleans their house out, stages it, does whatever they need to make it look good. She also is very understanding and empathetic and would go above and beyond to make sure that they were comfortable. Say a senior that was moving to assisted living, she would assist them in paring down the house and picking what would go there. I mean, just way more time than the average realtor would spend with the person. And that's how she gets the 98% referral base, because she just does such an incredible job that they don't forget her. Barb would not only sell the person's house or find them a house to buy, but she would try and frequently solve other problems that they had. If they needed a job, she'd refer them to people. If they needed a reliable daycare, she could do that. She has so many resources in this area, living here her whole life. There are a lot of things that people know Barb has done for the community, but having worked for Barb, there are many things that I know that she did anonymously that no one's ever known about. One time there was a front page story in the Herald years ago about a young girl who had come over here for school, and something happened and she needed to go home, but she had no resources. And Barb read about it, wrote a check for the trip to another country, paid for a suitcase and clothes for her, just wrote the check for all of that and anonymously mailed it. So there are a lot of things like that.